So guys, today we are doing more than one video. So we are going into the fall. So today we are going to do a fall eyeshadow look. So I am going to use this eyeshadow palette from Pure. This is the eyeshadow I am going to use today from Pure. So let's show you the color that are in this eyeshadow palette here. So if it's your first time coming on and seeing me, I just want to welcome you to my channel. My name is J Spark Makeup, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell that when I do upload a video, you can be notified. So today we are going to go into this color right here. And the first color that I'm going to go into is this one here. And I'm just going to take it to my brow bone because I am doing a fall look. Not too much color, not too fancy, just a simple fall eye look, you guys. I am going to do, I have my time. Sometimes I like to do a bright color, and then another time I just want to do a simple eye look, so that if you are not a person that love color and you want to go simple, this is a eye tutorial that you can do to go simple. And if you can see underneath my eyes here, I just barely applied this color. Now let's go into another color here, and this one I want to go into this shade right here. It's very simple. Take it here and just blend it at the outer corner of the eyes right here. And as I say, you don't have to be a makeup artist to help yourself. When I start off makeup, I started off because it was something that I love, and I was doing makeup from I was back home in Jamaica years ago, and I was more younger. But then when I come to this country, I get more into doing makeup, and that's why I continue it. And sometimes I do get bored with doing it, but it's something that I love, so I keep it up and trying to do it same way, because it's something that sometimes it keep my mind occupied, and sometimes I feel good about doing it, especially at my age. I feel good sometimes at doing it. And you don't have to be young to do makeup. No matter what age you is, you can do your look. Do it to suit you. Do it for you to be beautiful. Do it for you if you think it's something that you're interested in. But if you're not interested in it, then it's a different ball game there. But because maybe if I started makeup and I just started do it, maybe I wouldn't. But because I've been doing it for a good while and I'm into it so much, you know, I still continue it. Once in a while, if I'm going out, or in the summer, if I want to like do my face to go out, I can do it. And I do it to suit for me, not, not for people to say, oh, look at your age and you're wearing makeup. No, you're not too old for the ball game. Do what you want to do for yourself. And if you can see, I'm trying out to blend out this part of my eyes here. When you're doing makeup, make sure you blend, because that is the key, is blending. Make sure you blend properly, and make sure that you don't have like a harsh line. I don't want to use that brush. Okay, I want to use a bigger brush here, and make sure that blending is the key. Just make sure you blend pretty good. And you can see I'm blending here, and I'm not going inside here with it. I'm gonna put a different color. As I said, this is just a simple natural fall look, so I'm just gonna blend here. I'm not gonna go in here with that part, with that color. So then we are going to go a little bit more into more color. So I am going to use this brush here, and I'm going to take some of the color, this one here. This is the color that I'm going to use, and just apply it on the inner corner of my eyes. So this is the color here that I am going to apply to the inner corner of my eyes, and you can see the color here. This eyeshadow is from Pure Cosmetics, so you can see here. So I'm using this color because this is really of a simple, nice, warm eye tutorial for the fall. The funniest thing about me that I have so much lashes here, and compulsory I put on lashes. I don't know, like, and I love lashes, but sometimes I don't want to do it. Like, I prefer to use a nice mascara to get it, my eyes to be done. So I'm gonna brush this brush off a minute here, and I'm gonna go back into a color, this one here, and I'm using the other side of the brush. So I'm not using the same side that I used to put here. I'm using a different side of the brush, and I'm gonna warm up the other corner back of my eyes here. Warm it up, and then I'm just going to blend out this color with another brush here. These brushes that I'm using, this one is from Lucky, and you guys all do know Lucky. So I am using that color, and I'm blending out the outer corner here of my eyes. So we are going to use some color underneath my eye here, which I'm not really, as I always said, when to use color underneath my eyes, I'm not professional on that. Not like I'm afraid, I am so afraid of color. Some people use color under their eye, it doesn't give any trouble, but because my eyes sometimes do run water, I try to be careful what I use. And this is the color that I have been using underneath my eye here. So you guys, I'm gonna finish up and then I'm gonna come back. So guys, this is my fall eyeshadow look. And this is my eyeshadow, and this one is from Pure, it's Barbie's. This is the color that I use. So today I went in and I used, the first color I used underneath my brow, I think it was this one here I used underneath the brow bone. And let's swatch it, show you. And then I go in to this color, which is also a matte shape. They may not swatch properly, but they are beautiful color and they do blend really, really good. And this is another color that I use. I also go in with this one here for my lid. So I use about 5 color today on my eyes, and these are the color that I use for my fall eyeshadow look. And if you're wondering which two lipstick I do have on, so I have on the Jason Wong lip gloss, And then I end up having, this one is from, I think, Revlon. Yeah, this one is from Revlon, I think, yeah. So these are the two that I pair together with a pencil for my lips, and I'm gonna show you how this one do swatch. Very nice nudish color. And then I also add this one under, and then I put the other one over. So this was the first one that I add, and then I add this one over it to give my lips that glossy look. This one is more of a matte lipstick, but I love these two combination together. They are beautiful. And the lip. So this is my final look. And as I say, I want to say thank you so much again for watching. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell, that when I do upload a video, you can be notified. I want to say God bless you, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.